In this tutorial, we will understand the lookup function. So what is lookup function? It is a lookup and reference function type, and it is used to search a value within a single row or column. And it has two syntax. First one is equal to lookup. Within bracket, we have three arguments. First one is lookup value, then lookup vector, and then result vector. Here, result vector is within square bracket, so this is optional. You may use or may not according to your requirement. And the second syntax is equal to lookup within bracket two arguments, lookup value and array. So let's understand all these arguments. First one is lookup value. It is a value to search, and that can be a number, text, logical value or reference. That means this is the main value based on which we will find our or search our required value from the lookup vector or result vector, or for syntax from the array. Next, lookup vector. It is a range that contains only one row or column of text, number, logical values placed in ascending order. So in this range, we will have the data in ascending order. And next, result vector. So this is also a range that contains only one row or column with same size as lookup vector. And from this result vector, we will get our result. And for second syntax, we have array. It is also a range of cell that contains text, number, logical values that we want to compare. So let's understand this with different example. Here we have three examples. So let's understand example number 1. So here first we will understand with simple formula, that is equal to lookup value. So our lookup value is this one, comma lookup vector. Let's take this as a lookup vector, and we will not use this result vector because it is optional. Enter. So we can see we got this value, that means the last one. That is, with the help of this formula, we can get the exact value from the lookup vector, but if the value does not exist, then it will show up the closest matching, and that must be smaller than that. So as it is 11, it is shown as 10. Let's take here 08. We got 08. But if there is no 08, let's make it 9. Then from 08, we got 7. So this is how lookup function work with lookup and lookup vector. So let's change this lookup vector to this one. Press enter. So we got not available because this data cannot match with this product name. So that is why we got not available error. So let's change the lookup vector again. Okay. Now here we will use all the three arguments equal to lookup value is this one, comma lookup vector is this one. And here we want the price of this t-shirt. So our result vector will be this price. That means the lookup vector will in which row this value exists, and it will show the last matching, and then it will get the row number of that array, and it will fetch the price of that row number. Bracket close. So as it is collar t-shirt, so last collar t-shirt is this one, so it will get 180. You can see here. Now suppose if I change it to RN t-shirt, enter. So we got 120, the last one. Now if I delete this portion and enter, it's still 120. Suppose we take here collar t-shirt, we got 180, and if I delete this, we got 120. That means last matching value. So here t-shirt matching is in all this value we have t-shirt, so we got the last value t-shirt. That means when we have the exact match, then it will get that value, And if we do not get any exact match, it will take an approximate match and get the last value. That means the value from the last row or maybe the last column. In this data we have used row wise, so it is showing the value of last row, but if we transpose this data, then we will get the value of last column. So now here we will know the code, size and price of this value. In the same manner, type here equal to lookup, then the lookup value, comma, lookup array. So this is the lookup array, comma, result vector. So here we have code, so we need the code as result, then bracket close and enter. You can see the last matching value 10005 equal to lookup, then lookup value, comma, lookup vector, comma, result vector, bracket close and enter. You can see XXL. The same way equal to lookup, lookup value, comma, lookup vector, comma, result vector, bracket close and enter. So we got 180. So in this way we can use lookup function. And then we want to know the last value of this code. What is the last value of this column or the last value of this product or size or price? So here we want to get the last value of each column, that is last code, last product, last size and last price. And whenever we want to change data, then the result will affect here also. So let's start. So here type equal to lookup, then lookup value should be 2, lookup value should be 2, comma, lookup vector is 1 divided by, select this area up to 30. We have to take some extra cells so that when we enter new data, that value also shown here. That is where we are taking up to 30, not equal to blank. That means the value that is not equal to blank, bracket close. And here we have to put one bracket. Okay, so this is the lookup vector, comma, result vector is the same, then bracket close. So what is the logic behind this? Suppose let's select this and press F9. So we have all these are trues and last these are false. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, these are false. That means we have given the logic these range not equal to blank. So these are not equal to blank, so it is true, and these are blank, so it is false. So we already know that true means 1 and false means 0. So 1 divided by 1 is 1 and 1 divided by 0 is divided by 0 error. So if I select all this, now press F9, you can see these are all 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 are errors. So it will consider the last value. We all know that lookup value looks for the last result. So it will look for the last one and it will match this value. You can also keep this as 1. So here we may keep it as 1 and press enter. So we got 10010. If I place here 10011, so this is the last value. If I press 10012, this is the last value. Now the same way we have to do all this. So type here again equal to lookup value is 1, comma, lookup vector is 1 divided by, within bracket, this range not equal to blank, bracket close, comma, result vector same, then bracket close and enter. RN t-shirt, this is the last. If I type here suppose only t-shirt, we got the last result. Now size equal to lookup value is 1, comma, 1 divided by, bracket open, this range not equal to blank, bracket close, comma, again the same range, bracket close and enter. We got XXL. If I type here only XL, we got the last result XL. Now the price. So price is equal to lookup value 1 comma 1 divided by this range, bracket close, not equal to blank, bracket close, comma, and always remember the lookup vector and the result vector should be the same. That means same, in case of here it is same, but here it should be different, but the height of this lookup vector and the result vector should be same. Enter. We got 120 last here. So here if I type 150, so this is the last, and this is for the last value. But if we want to get the last match value, so let's see here. If I type equal to lookup, then 1 divided by comma 1 divided by, within bracket select this range, equal to, so we are matching collar t-shirt, so this is in this column, so select this range, equal to this value, bracket close. So here you can see if I press F9, we got here 1 2 3 4 5, fifth value. So here this is 1 2 3 4, fifth value, we will get this value. Then comma result vector, so let's get the price, then bracket close and enter. We got 180. If I type here only t-shirt, so we got 150. If I change, let's see, only shirt, so we do not have match with only shirt, that is why it is giving not available error. In this way you can get the last matched value. Now we will understand the second example. This is in a row wise, that means we have used this formula and we got the result from the last row, and here we will get the result from the last column. So let's check. Let's delete these values. So we want to get the stock of this code, so type here lookup value is this one, comma lookup vector. So this is the lookup vector because 10003 is in this column, so you can start from here or here. Let's start from the beginning. Then comma result vector is in stock, so select this one, bracket close and enter. We got 150, you can see 150. Now stock of 1004, same way, equal to lookup value, comma lookup vector, comma stock result vector, enter. We got 145, you can see 145. Now here we have to get the product name and the stock, so equal to lookup value is this one, press F4 to lock this, comma lookup vector. So our lookup vector is this one, press F4, comma the result vector. So result vector is for product, this one, bracket close and enter. So the product is F 006 F. Now drag this down to 60. You can see the value 260. So we can use here equal to formula text, select this one, press enter. You can see the formula. So in this way we can get column wise. Now example 3. Suppose we have this grade, 0 is poor, greater than 25 or greater than equal to 25 is satisfactory, greater than equal to 50 is good, and greater than 75 is excellent. we have already solved this type of problem with if function. So here we will solve this problem with lookup function. Let's see. Here we have to do two things. First is you have to keep all this value in ascending order, because we will fetch this grade based on this value. So this lookup value should be in ascending order. Here we have already understood that it should be in ascending order. Lookup vector should be in ascending order. So here this should be in ascending order. And we all know that it gets the result. If we get the exact match, then it will, suppose here we have 20, then it will give the satisfactory. But if we give 24 here, then we do not have 24. So it will match with these values. So closest match is 25, but it is greater than 24. So it will take the above value, that is 0, and it will get us the value poor. So type here equal to lookup, then first lookup value. So this is our lookup value, comma, lookup vector is this one. So we will check the score within this range, comma, our result vector is this one. Then bracket close and enter. So it is satisfactory. Now if I change this value, suppose 24 is poor. If we take 26, sorry, not here, 26, it's satisfactory. So it is greater than 25 but less than 50. So it is satisfactory. If I take 49, it is also satisfactory. But when we give it a 50, good. 51, good. 74, good. But 75, it is excellent. Then greater than all 75, 76 or 100, all are excellent. So in this way, with a very simple formula, we can get the grade of any score. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well. But still, if you have any problem regarding this lookup function, then you can contact me in the comment section. I will surely help you out. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and share this with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.